this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop virtual credit card full solution. Example of this kind of script is StripCard. So let's go down to look at some of the features. Some of the features are buy virtual card top up, add money, money transfer, withdraw money, gift card, set up virtual card API, set up gift card API, set up deposit method, push notification, and biometric login. Some other features. So you can use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. On my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'm using for this testing purposes, which is this. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Next, I will close this. Now, let me copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Then enter. Now click on start. Now I click on next. Here I'm going to fill in the credentials and click on continue. Now I'll fill up this place. But to fill up this place, I'm going to create my database. As you can see, you need to input our database name, username. So I'll go back to my cPanel, then to my databases, manage my databases. So now let me name my database as StripCard DB. Let me name it as this, StripCard DB. I click on create database. Now, after creating my database successfully, I click on go back. So next, I'm going to create the user. I'm sorry that in this video we are going to be looking at how to develop. So let me name my user as StripCard DB user. Okay. Then I click on create user. So next I click on go back. Now let me close this place. What next is for me to add my user to my database. And select the one I just created, the user, StripCard DB. Add. Next, I'm going to give our privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Now, success. Let me now copy my username. Back to my side. Let me say here is localhost DB name. This is what I use, username. And I click on continue. What next is for me, I click on migrate. I close this place. Now let me add my account settings. Let me see admin@example.com. First name admin, last name admin, Then I click on continue. Close. Application is ready to run, so let me just go to the website. I have successfully installed my script, as you can see. Let me just refresh it. So I've installed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For script installation, kindly use the I am link in the description to help me install your scripts. And if this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.